What's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Paul and you're watching Wanderpaul.
That bitch go pew when I shoot, it's on you. That bitch go pew when I shoot, it's on you. That bitch go pew when I shoot, it's on you. Copycat, nigga tryna copy what I do. Damn, that bitch go pew when I shoot.
Okay mga lods, for today's video ay mag-order tayo online through Lazada ng aking gustong bilhin na Mavic Mini Drone sa DJI official store. 2 days ago, meron silang 1-day sale. Nakita ko yung Mavic Mini Drone na may less 4,000 pesos. So, yun nga, medyo hesitant nga tayo nung una, pero meron silang mode of payment na cash on delivery. So, para iwas budol tayo dyan, hindi tayo maloko ng mga nagdi-deliver. Minsan, we need to take the risk. Nakapag-desisyon na ako na bilhin yung Mavic Mini Flymer Combo kasi iba talaga yung datingan ng mga drone iba talaga yung nabibigay nila to the highest level eto sila dito So today is July 17th, hindi na ako nagpadalos-dalos pa at ginamit ko na yung opportunity. Tara, samahan nyo ako. I-check natin kung original nga ba yung mga products nila at legit yung store na pagbibilhan natin. So, let's go! Eto na, bibili na natin. Wala na. To pay. Here's I'm going to pay 22,684. Kasama na yung delivery fee. So now I'm going to click pay now. Okay, let's just choose the cash on delivery and confirm order. Hello mga lods, today is July 28th and I'm currently at work. So, itong umaga na patawag yung magdi-deliver ng aking in-order mula sa Lazada. And sabi niya papunta na raw siya dito sa aking workplace. And then, since COD yung ating mode of payment, kailangan pa natin mag-withdraw. So, tara, samahan niyo ako pumunta ng ATM bank and mag-withdraw tayo ng pera since medyo malaki-laki yung ating babayarin. So, tara, at alis na tayo. Punta tayo sa BPI. Okay, so nakapag-withdraw na ako at hihintayin na lang natin dumating yung nag-deliver ng aking parcel. Ano na ito? Laki. Pwede ko na siya mabuksan na ma-check. Pwede mo buksan, ma-check. First things first, we need to check the outer package if it is still intact and in good condition. And the good thing here is that pumayag si kuya na buksan muna yung package before natin siya bayaran para masigurado natin na intact pa yung nasa loob at hindi nagalaw o nakuha ng ibang tao on the process ng pag-shipping nila. Okay, so we see here it's intact, so we're good to go. Ito na, so bubuksan na natin yung box. So this is the Mavic Mini Flymer Combo na binili natin sa Lazada. And try natin mamaya pag meron tayong makita sa online na tatanungan original ba and authentic yung ating nabili. So eto pa, meron tayong ito yung official receipt, the delivery receipt from DJI official store, and yun, binayaran natin ng 22,500 plus the delivery fee. Okay, so hope sana legit to guys. Okay, let's put this aside. So maganda talaga ang pagkakabalot na talaga nabalot talaga siya ng bubble wrap tsaka another plastic.
Yes, if you're wondering why I've only paid for 32,000 plus for this Mavic Mini Flymer Combo plus last time we had a 1-day sale last July 15. I think kaya nakamura ako doon at merong 4,000 discount. Ano lang? 5.
And nabili ko naman to sa Dji official store, so I believe na hindi to So now I'm ready to unbox my drone. Okay, so we have the bag, then the tag, the DJI tag. Okay, put this aside. Okay, labas naman natin muna lahat ng nasa loob. So, wala na.
First, we'll open this big box. I think this is the propeller guard. Let's see. Oh, yes. Okay, so we now have the propeller guards for the safety of our propeller para hindi masira. And then, this one is the charging adapter. This one is okay, so this is the user manual for on how to fly the drone. Okay, let's put this on the side. And this is the battery. Okay, so we have an extra 3 batteries for the primer combo. Okay, 1, 2, and then 3. We got that. Okay, and finally, the DJI.
The Mavic mini drone itself.
Okay, so this is the charger for the batteries. We have another box here. This is the accessories, the cords, and the connector. So this is the joystick. This is the joystick that will be placed in the controller. Okay, put that aside. Oops. Okay, this is okay, so yun, marami siyang connectors. Eto, connectors lahat. And the screw to place the propeller. And then we have here the controllers. Ta-da! Okay, I don't know how to open this, but okay. Okay, so this is an extra, by the way guys, this is an extra joystick because we have here another joystick at the bottom inside the controllers. So we'll take this one, put it here, just screw it. Okay. Just rotate it clockwise. Okay, so mamaya na lang babasahin pa natin yung user manual, baka masira pa to. Okay, let's put it on the side. This is the extra propellers. So, I recommend guys na bilhin nyo yung flymer combo instead lang yung drone lang at saka controller combo kasi dito sa flymer combo sa 6,000 pesos mo marami ka na makukuha na pag compare mo siya at bibilhin mo siya within hindi, sa laki naman. At kung bibilhin mo siya na separately, mas mapapamahal ka. So, I recommend you buy the flymer combo para sulit talaga yung binayan nyo. And this is the drone. Okay. So guys, nagulat talaga ako sobrang gaan niya. Parang yung battery lang talaga yung tumabigat sa lahat-lahat dito. Okay. Now I don't know how to open it. Okay. So there you have it.
Okay guys, by the looks and feels of this drone na pinadala sa atin, I can say na original naman siya. So, but to make sure and to make it official, here's the clip of my chat with the DJI support. From the DJI Fly app, click Profile. Then click the icon on the upper right corner. And then click the online support. From here, choose the Mavic. And then Product and Technical Support. Then you scroll down and click Contact the online support. So from here, you can now chat with the online support. So there you go guys, it is confirmed that it is a legit unit. Okay, so the next one we need to ask if it is a refurbished unit, since the drone has some minor scratches, and we'll ask about the warranty period of this product. So stay tuned. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and sana nakatulong somehow sa inyo. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Adios, mi amigos!